Hello, you lovely people. Today we're diving into the world of meal prep. It's simple. Cook your food for the week ahead of time. Think of it as being your own personal chef. One day in the kitchen and you're set for the week. No more last-minute dinner stress or unhealthy takeaways. Meal prep is for everyone, busy parents, students, or anyone wanting to eat better. It's about making life easier and healthier, one meal at a time. You don't need to be a pro, just willing to try. Forget those intimidating photos of endless plastic boxes. We're keeping it real and simple, aiming for good food, not perfection. We'll use basic ingredients you can find anywhere. Imagine coming home, opening the fridge, and having a home-cooked meal ready to heat up. That's the magic of meal prep. More time for you, less stress. It's a little gift to your future self. So let's get started together. We'll take it step by step. You've got this. Ready to make your week easier and tastier? Let's get cooking. Why try meal prep? 3 big reasons: time, money, and health. First, it saves hours. Cook once or twice a week and reclaim your evenings. Second, it's budget-friendly. Planning means fewer impulse buys and less money spent on takeaways. You'll be surprised how much you save. Third, it's healthier. You control the ingredients, no hidden sugars or additives. Fill your meals with veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. When healthy food is ready to go, you're less likely to reach for junk. Plus, meal prep cuts food waste. You buy what you need and use it all. Every ingredient has a purpose. It's good for your wallet, your body, and the planet. More time, more savings, better health. What's not to love? Meal prep is a win all around. Let's make it work for you. Ready to start? Keep it simple and start small. Don't prep every meal at once. Try just lunches for a few days or one big batch dinner. Build the habit gradually. Make a basic plan. Jot down what you want to eat, check your cupboards, and make a shopping list. No fancy spreadsheets needed. For equipment, all you need are a few containers, a chopping board, a sharp knife, and a pot or pan. Don't let lack of gadgets stop you. Make it fun, put on music, invite family or friends, and enjoy the process. Cooking should be rewarding, not a chore. Remember, you're investing in your health and happiness. Turn up the tunes, roll up your sleeves, and get prepping. The basics are all you need to create great food. Start small, keep it manageable, and build from there. You're doing something amazing for yourself. Enjoy the process and the results. Let's make meal prep a habit. You've got this. Let's get to the food. Here are 2 easy recipes to kick off your meal prep. First, roasted veggie and quinoa bowl. Chop any veggies you have, toss with oil and herbs, roast for 25-30 minutes. Cook quinoa as per the packet, then mix with the veggies. Add chickpeas or grilled chicken for extra protein. Delicious hot or cold, perfect for lunch. Next, lentil soup. Sauté onion, carrot, and celery. Add garlic, then chop tomatoes, stock, and red lentils. Simmer for 20-25 minutes, season and enjoy. It's hearty, healthy, and lasts for days in the fridge or freezer. Serve with wholemeal bread. Both recipes are simple, filling, and great for batch cooking. They taste even better the next day. Start with these and you'll see how easy meal prep can be. Honest, delicious food, ready when you are. Give them a try. You've cooked, now keep it fresh and safe. Cool food quickly and get it into the fridge within 2 hours. Divide into containers to speed up cooling. Tight lids keep food fresh for 3-4 days. Label containers with the date and meal. Reheat until piping hot, stirring halfway for even heating. Some meals, like the veggie bowl, are great cold. Trust your senses. If something smells off, don't eat it. Keep your fridge below 5 degrees Celsius. Follow these tips and your meals will stay safe and tasty all week. You've done the hard work now. Enjoy the rewards. Give meal prep a try. You'll be a pro in no time.